Magandang hapon po ng January 16, 2024 Tuesday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5pm digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5pm result ngayong hapon ng January 16, 2024 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5pm. 3D Lotto 5pm result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, January 16, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5pm. 'See you again later for 9pm result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for January 16, 2024 Tuesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 611 million pesos. Ultra Lotto 658 jackpot price estimates is 49.5 million pesos, and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 16 million pesos for Tuesday, January 16, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5pm video for January 16, 2024 Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.